Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio, and it's time for the Design Team Challenge for Gina Ahrens Designs. And the prompt this month is portion, section, and segment. And I've been watching, I always watch a bunch of videos, and was inspired by James Burke. Hope that's okay, Gina. I am using your products and a bunch of my scraps and miscellaneous stuff. So what we're going to do is build a collage without gluing things together so that you can reuse them. So if you have something that you really like and you don't want to just use it one time, this is a way to create a collage and then use it multiple times. So I'm just pulling out bits and pieces of my stash of stuff. I don't have any great pieces, but I'm just selecting a few items and we're going to put them together. I'm getting rid of the massive white borders on this so that I can just have the words as, for interest. I don't know if you can hear the dogs out there. I'm sorry if you can. They're being obnoxious. I really want to put this Tim Holtz butterfly thing on here, but I'm not sure how I want it. So right now I'm just layering things on. Yeah, and using washi tape, because you can reuse washi tape to hold things down. A lot of these things like curl up a bit. That patterned piece of paper and that flower came from Michael's. They had wrapping paper on clearance at one point, and I haven't really used it much. I just thought it would be fun to color or add things, so we're going to use them here. I'm trying to get that, I guess it's a moth really, to work. I just can't figure it out. It's so big. I think that's the problem. I need smaller objects. Okay. And everything curls. So once I'm done stacking all this stuff on here, we're going to take it to the copier. Well, I'm actually going to scan it into my computer. And these are baby wipes that have paint on them that I thought was fun, but it's so thick when you use them. I thought this would be a good idea. And you don't even have to cut it. It doesn't have to fit the page. A lot of this stuff is flopping over the edges. And a little stamp. Okay, so here I am using, so the background was Gina's Mega Bundle, and here I am using her bird stamp. I think it's Cute Birds, I think it's number 5 stamp. I stamped it out and then I just colored it with some colored pencils. And we're going to stick these birds on, I think. So some of them I stamped with black ink and some with blue. I think all of these have blue ink. Again, getting rid of the big blank edges. So a lot of this is just trying to decide where to fit it all down. And it'll look kind of jumbled and busy, but like with the prompt for this month, portion, section, and segment, we are going to divide it up into smaller pieces. So we're going to portion it out. I'm just rolling that washi tape to hold those birds down. And aren't they so cute? They're so cute. I don't know why everything had to go the other direction for some reason in my mind. If I did this again, I think I would probably kind of predetermine the width of... I decided to do postcards, and I can't remember exactly. I think I do 5 by 7, and I've spaced those birds just evenly enough that if I get one bird in the picture, the other one's cut in half. So I'd either put them closer together or further apart. I totally could have put them closer together. They could have friends. Alright, I'm taking more of Gina's Mega Bundle. I'm just adding just a little contrasting orangey color on there. Then I did take an index card and add some blank spots that I thought maybe I could write on later. I just keep adding more and more layers. So I guess while we're watching these, Gina B. Ahrens Designs, she has an Etsy store, and I will have a link below to all of her information and the Etsy store. And if you use Margel15, you will get a 15% discount. And she has extended her sale on some of her products. She's got like a 30% off sale going on right now that on some of her products, so check that out, and there might be something you want to try. She has lots of fun stamps, and she's starting this great collection of stencils. She's been doing like a new one, at least one new one every month, so that's been a lot of fun. I know I need to get out there and buy me some stencils. I love stencils. But this little project, you could do this while watching TV. Watch TV, just pile stuff on, and then photocopy it or scan it. Like I did, I scanned it, and then I print it out, and you'll see that at the end. Oh, and I found the little polka dots, the little teeny dots, and then the pink flamingo washi tape on clearance at Michael's. So that was fun. Okay, so that was the first one. This one's the second one. And I remembered I had these cute butterfly paperclip things, and thought they would be fun. And I had this napkin that was given to me in Happy Mail, and I just love it, and I'm not ready to part with it yet. So this is a great way to use it, where you don't lose it. And that blue was also Happy Mail, but it doesn't make the cut, I guess, on this one. So we're adding that book text in there again. There's another piece of Happy Mail. That one doesn't make the cut either. Alright. I'm so wishy-washy. Anyways, you get the general idea. So I'm going to skip to the end of this because I took forever to decide where I wanted things. Oh yes, and here's the moth again. And I forgot I had those butterfly stickers. So I left it on its backing so it wouldn't like stick permanently onto that music paper. And so here are the color copies. See, isn't that awesome? And then I also did them in black and white just for the heck of it. And then I've created myself a little viewfinder so we can go through and look at what sections or segments, there's the prompt, we want. See how I spaced those just wrong? And then I kind of want to focus on Gina's birds. They're so cute. So once I decided where I wanted them, I cut them all up. So here they are. They're all cut up and they make cute little postcards. They'd be great for Easter cards, you know, because they're just the right kind of colors. I don't have any Easter eggs on there. So, okay, this was, I knew I was risking myself doing this because I'm really bad at it. And this is the only marker I could find, which is kind of a brush tip. So I'm trying to be careful. And, okay, I make the mistake of being confident. See, I went around it. It looks good. But that was a little skinny, so I go back. And now I've gained confidence. And what happens? Yeah. Look what I just did. I don't even realize I just did that. Oh, and look at that one. I'm like, what the heck? Okay. I'm blaming the marker right there, but it's truly my fault. I'm like, okay, we're going to try it again. I'm going to be more careful. No. Okay, we're not going to do it. We're going to go around it with an ink pad. But it's not as noticeable. You know, I mean, there's a little bit, but I really liked the thick border. I'm just terrible at it. So I did do a couple more. And then I decided I needed some words on a few things. And Gina has these great, it's build a quote is what it is, and you can print them out on stickers. And so it was printed out on stickers, and I just stuck them on a few so they had, you know, a little focus word. And this is one of the black and whites, and I thought I would just kind of add a little color to the black and white bird. And blue because it was already kind of out there on my palette. And a little yellow. And then I decide to splatter, but I'm not a good splatterer. Alright, so we're going to splatter a little bit of color. Get it really wet. Come on. There we go. It's a little darker blue, but I'll put a few color splatters on there. And I think that'll about wrap it up. So don't forget to check out the link below, and there will also be other videos by the other design team. So click on their links and see all their videos. Everybody has a unique idea. Those are little scraps that were left over. Anyways, I hope you liked that. If you did like it, please hit like. Feel free to share, comment, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.